Can't see can hurt you. Most of us don't know what's lurking in the air ducts of our homes.
And don't want to know. But there could be pounds of dirt and dust hiding in there. It's the stuff we are breathing in every single day. I'm just grossed out talking about this. But Stanley Steemer, they specialize in cleaning your air ducts. We've got Chris Pucci here to tell us more about how this process works. Chris, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. I appreciate it.
All right, well, give us the dirty truth as it is. How gross are all of our ducts?
It can get pretty gross.
Yeah.
So over a year, your home is actually collecting about 40 pounds of dust in your air ducts.
Tell me 40 pounds.
It's like more than my dog.
That doesn't even sound possible.
I mean,
that's a lot. That's a lot.
It is a lot, and it just stays there. I mean, and it's just recirculating through your home, especially during the winter, and it's what you're breathing in. Actually, I think the EPA said that your indoor air is 3 to 4 times dirtier than the outdoor air. And we spend most of our time at home, especially in Michigan.
Right.
You know, you're cooped up in the winter, and it's like.
So how do you get in there and get that stuff out? I'm picturing a huge vacuum.
It's essentially a giant vacuum.
Okay.
So we have a giant truck, an air duct, specially made truck by our corporate office, and it hooks up down by your furnace, and then we use different tools depending on your setup, and we agitate it, and it gets sucked out by that giant vacuum.
Is that process a day-long process? How long does it typically take a home to get its air ducts cleaned out?
It's 3 to 4 hours typically. It depends on the size of the house and the complexity of the system.
Okay. And how often should people be getting this done? How do they know, like, okay, now's the time I need to call you guys and get you in?
So what I recommend is everyone should at least get an estimate, because we will send an estimator out for free. That estimate's good for a year, and we'll take a look in your system and tell you if it's needed or not. You know, we turn down between 10 to 15% of jobs and tell them, hey, call us back in a couple of years. It's really not that bad right now. So
I like that.
Yeah.
But that speaks to ethics, you know, because you're not going to go in there and say, oh, yeah, we'll do the job even if it's not needed, right?
Correct.
So they'll do that estimate. Now, is the estimate a free estimate? You just come out to the home and tell us?
Yep, we'll send out, and we have 6 estimators in West Michigan that we'll send out, and we do large hospitals, we do universities, we do homes, and it's all cleaned with the same truck.
Amazing. Okay, so, and you say this is something people typically do in the summertime, but now is really the best time to get this done. And you have some other, you know, more winter time services that are good to do right now. Yeah,
well, during the summer, you're spending a lot of time outdoors. In the winter, we're cooped up inside, so it's just, again, recirculating, you're breathing it in, your kids are. I mean, you'll notice noticeably less dust. It actually helps with your furnace efficiency. And yeah, a lot of our other services are pretty relevant during the winter. So you're tracking salt and water on your carpet and your hardwood and your tile, and it really can cause permanent damage.
So the process actually takes less time in the winter than it does in the warmer months.
For carpet cleaning.
For carpet cleaning, because of the humidity and things like that. You have floor care export.
Yeah.
Talk a little about the new flooring.
So we actually sell new flooring as well.
People may not realize that. They think that you're just going to clean, your steam things, but no, you're selling flooring.
Yeah. So we have a full showroom down in Byron Center across from Tanger Outlets. We have another one in Kalamazoo as well. And we have really affordable flooring options, and we have literally thousands of options. So our website there is Stanley Steemer Flooring.
Okay,
pretty easy.
That's pretty easy to remember.
Don't get those carpets clean, just get new floor.
I was going to say, this is a 2-for-1. Have the ducts blown out while I'm getting some new flooring put in.
I like it. I like it. And Chris, how far is your range? I mean, do you serve all of West Michigan?
Yes, we serve all of West Michigan.
Okay.
So we have satellite offices in Kalamazoo, Muskegon, South Bend, Lansing.
Oh, you're everywhere.
Yeah, absolutely.
Well, Stanley Steemer, now's the time. You wouldn't maybe think that because you typically maybe a spring cleaning or a summer thing. No, now is the good time to get those carpets cleaned, the air ducts blown out. StanleySteemer.com is the website to go to, or just call the number on your screen.